Alright, y'all, let's make a little marinara sauce for my meatballs. So I'm going to put it in the stove. So we're going to put about I'm just going to say about 2 teaspoons, no, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to call the ingredients out to y'all. Let's put a little 1-2 quickie. Alright, let's add in about a half of a minced onion. Some minced onion. And put in some multicolored bell pepper, about 1/4. Alright, let that saute down. Alright, after about 5 to 7 minutes of this softening down, let's put in our garlic. This is about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Put that in there. And also, I'm going to add just a little salt to sweat down in there. Ooh, that garlic smells good. A little pink Himalayan salt. Okay. Right, after 1 minute putting that garlic in there, let's put in some tomato paste. Now we doing this with tomato paste and tomato sauce. If you was to do this homemade, you'd get some plum tomatoes or whatever tomatoes you like, but it's just a little quick marinade sauce I want to go with these meatballs for my sub. Alright. So, throw that in there. After that tomato paste, let's put 32 ounces of tomato sauce in there. Ooh, I love that sound. I love that sound. All right. We're gonna let this bad boy cook down for about 20 minutes. Now we're about to add that in there. Okay, take that same can, put about a half a can of water in that can, pour it in there. Right, let's season to taste, y'all. So we're gonna start off with we're about to use some kosher salt. So let's put in, let's put in about a teaspoon of kosher salt. Let's put in some dry basil. I'm gonna say about that much of dry basil. I'll put a little more. No. Okay, that's about a teaspoon and a half of dry basil. Let's put in some some crushed red pepper. Just about a half a teaspoon, just for a little tinge. So a little, yeah, put that bowl. Okay. A crushed red pepper. Let's put in some oregano. So, some ground up oregano. I bought this little oregano thing right here. Make sure it's coming. Oh no, it ain't coming out. I ain't got to talk. Okay. So let's put some oregano in there. Make sure it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. I'm gonna do about that many turns. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in some fresh cracked black pepper. Come on here. Some black pepper. Make sure I'm in there. Make sure the blind man in there. Okay, black pepper. And let's put in about a tablespoon of sugar to cut that acid. All right. Now, where's my spoon? There we go. We stir this up in here. All right. Put a little more basil, a little more salt, and a little more pepper in there. Now I'm going to let this simmer down for about 15 minutes on low. Let's give it a stir. See how pretty and it's thickening up. Alright. Let it cook down for about 10 more minutes. Then we're gonna add our meatballs back in there. Then we're gonna do our bread. Alright, y'all, it's real hot. It's like hot lava boiling. Hold up. Woo. Alright. Look how thick, look, it has thickened. It's probably gotten darker. Now let's add our meatballs to it. Ah! Right my hand. Let me turn it down a little more. Add my meatballs to this right quick. I think I kept 7 for my sub. Got about 7 of them in there. Now, all right, and there they go, y'all. There go the meatballs in the marinara sauce. Now, let's get the bread ready. Here go my bread, y'all. I didn't cut a trench in it. So I'm gonna remove my trench right there. See, I cut me a trench in the middle. That's where the meatball's gonna go. I got my oven set at 300. So I'm about to put some butter in here. Place it with some butter. I'm about to put this in the oven for just a few minutes. Then we're gonna take it out. Put our meatballs in the middle with our mozzarella cheese, our cheddar cheese. It's gonna be on, baby. All right, y'all. I done had my bread in here for about 10 minutes. Where I'm at? About 10 minutes. All right. Let me wash my hands. Let me wash these hands. You gotta work with clean hands. Got my hands washed. All right. Let's put where I'm at. Right here. Put that right there. Now let's put some meatballs on this sub right here. All right. All right. I can touch it because my hands is washed. All right. All right. Put a meatball right here. Yeah, buddy. Me and Mom gonna enjoy this. Put a meatball right here. Alright, let me line this on here, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the meatballs on there. Now let's put a little sauce. Let's put a little of this good marinara sauce on there. Like that. Buddy. Yeah, I know sometimes my videos be long, but you can always turn it off when you want to. Alright, got that on there. Put some fresh grated cheddar cheese on here. So we're going to put some cheddar. Then we're going to come back with some mozzarella. That on there. Let's put the mozzarella. Yeah, buddy. Let's put it all on there. Yeah, let it melt all on there. So when you cook, you gotta be well versed. You gotta know how to cook it all. Not all, but another thing, when y'all see me cook, I only cook what I eat. I don't cook stuff I don't eat. I cook it for somebody, but if I don't eat it, you pretty much ain't gonna see a video on it. Unless I later on learn how to like it. Alright. All right, y'all, got my cheddar cheese, my mozzarella cheese. It got me a little parsley on top. About to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes. All right, y'all. I had it in here. Where's it? Okay. Ooh. Had it in there for about 10 minutes. No, about 8 minutes. There you go. See the cheese that melted? Woo. There we go. I may not do no taste test on here. I don't want to see y'all see me getting sloppy with this. All right. All right, yeah. Look, y'all. There goes my Italian sub with the marinara sauce with mozzarella, cheddar. Put me a little parsley on top. All right. I'm not going to do a taste test because I don't feel like eating it in front of y'all. So I'm going to just cut me a piece and eat it. All right. Y'all see me do these Italian meatballs 2 ways. All right. You choose which way you want to do it. All right. You can do the spaghettis. All right. Y'all see me make it. Go make you some.